Well, hello again, and welcome to another Rightstar Snacktime Snippet. My name's Alan Reynolds, and I'm a pre-sales engineer with Rightstar, specializing in the Atlassian suite. We're an Atlassian Gold Solution partner, and this is the last part of our multi-snippet series on getting product and IT teams under the same umbrella with Jira Service Management. So what should your takeaway be from today? Well, Jira Service Management's powerful ITSM capabilities can help you improve and integrate your organization's DevOps and ITSM practices, offering an intuitive and powerful low-code solution that integrates seamlessly with various tools and platforms. So, the organizational impact of getting your product and IT teams under the same umbrella using JSM really just reads like a page right out of the ITIL 4 DevOps handbook, with improved IT and business alignment and greater collaboration across functions and an increased emphasis on employee experience. And most importantly, a successful ITSM experience positively impacts the business. Now, I know it's a big move, selecting a new service management tool, but for many teams, the benefits of Jira Service Management far outweigh the costs of implementing it and the consequences of staying with inadequate tooling. From increased collaboration and extensibility to leaner ITSM workflows and potentially even lower costs. And for companies already using Jira software, that case is even really more compelling, enabling unsurpassed dev and ops alignment to help IT and production teams solve issues even faster. Now, of course, keep in mind, Jira Service Management doesn't have to be a full-blown replacement for your existing system on day one. There's integration points available between the Atlassian tools and most popular ITSM solutions and most popular solutions in general. So you could use both side by side for a period of time until all your teams have moved. So is a modern ITIL certified service management tool that's built for DevOps right for your team? Well, to find out, reserve a time with us for one of our product demos, complete with a live Q&A. So this is really just a must-see for anyone who's considering Jira Service Management. We'll show you firsthand just how simple it is to link support tickets to software issues and keep IT and product and business teams connected. Rightstar, a division of Activia, is a thought leader in ITSM and an expert with Atlassian and Jira Service Management related solutions. We offer consulting and design and implementation services to streamline your workflows and eliminate ITSM overload. You can contact us at info@rightstar.com, but we'll put our contact information up here for you in just a few moments as a reminder. So let's look at any questions that may have been submitted as we went through our presentation today. Okay, looks like there's a question that's come in here around integrations. Oh, with LDAP. Is there an integration available with Jira Service Management with LDAP or AD, and is there a single sign-on option? Absolutely. Jira Service Management in the cloud offers a ability to do single sign-on through a service called Atlassian Access, which links up to your own SAML cloud SAML provider, which then links up to your, maybe local ID or whatever, so that you can manage your users and groups in your SAML provider, which then talks to Atlassian Access, which then is able to manage your users and groups inside of Jira Service Management and Confluence and Jira Software and so on and so forth. That also gives you the ability to manage those accounts, so you can provision and deprovision and set password rules and enforce two-factor authentication and things like that. So hopefully that's a good answer for that one. Let me see. Yeah. Let's see what else we got here. Well, here's one I like. Can non-business and non-dev units use JSM? I think this is geared toward like, what if these teams aren't product teams or IT teams? And I guess the answer is absolutely yes. And that's even, that ability is getting even greater. The Jira Service Management solution has been used by, of course, the IT teams, but facilities teams and HR teams and marketing teams and so on and so forth to do that kind of customer level management for quite a while. But there are even more now project templates for that built inside the tool, so that you're up and ready to go right away without having to do so much configuration and thought from scratch. Say if you're a legal team and want to take some particular input from customers on when they need to have legal reviews done, or if you're a marketing team that is intaking marketing ideas from your customer base or that sort of thing. Anyway, I could go on about that. That's probably a whole nother webinar on its own. I'll tell you what, let's, I got one more here I like, and maybe we'll kind of cap it at that. But how hard is it to customize the system? Can I create my own workflow and processes in Jira, or am I stuck with what comes out of box? So customization is super easy. I think I mentioned no code in a presentation today, but ultimately I wouldn't call it customizing the system. I would call it configuring the system. This is a no code thing. All of that sort of like, what request types do I want, and what does my workflow want to be, and what statuses should go through, and all those kinds of things are configurable by an admin. Sometimes you're a system administrator, but much of that can be done by just a particular project administrator. So maybe you have someone in your HR team who is responsible for a few of those kinds of things for their requests and customers, and maybe someone different from your facilities team, for example, so that you can offload a little bit of that administrative work from the various teams to them, instead of having your main Jira administrator be responsible for everything. Well, thanks for joining us for our series, Getting Product and IT Teams Under the Same Umbrella with Jira Service Management. We'd love to see you back for more Rightstar Snack Time Snippets in the future.